I created this travel flyer by using Photoshop. First, I created some circle shape elements on the flyer. Make a multiple circle shapes. For example, by using these shape tool, I created the above circle shapes. Then I want to change the colors of circles by selecting them. Add a dual color tone for the entire flyer. And just drop the image you want. Resize it and clip them on the circle. Just align it at the center. Use multiple images. You can download it from free sources like Pixels and Pixabay. For background, I added sea image. I used the sea image, which is more visually appealing. Next, I applied a thick white stroke for all the circle shapes by using the layer style box. In these, you can see the difference in the sea image on the background, which I adjusted the brightness using levels. For a pop-up effect for the images, I used drop shadow. Adjust the value of the shadows as shown in the image. Apply these drop shadow effect on the 3 circles with the white outer stroke. Make a soft drop shadow on the 3 small circles. Next, jump into adding text. Add a handwritten main title above the image. Make it orange. Align it to the center. I used light and bold text for these. In the whole design process, I used the Futura font. Add the package price details here. Drag it upward. With the pen tool, make a thick orange line below the text. In these left corner, I dropped some facility space here. You can edit it as you want. I used vector PNG icons in the flyer. Finally, add the telephone numbers and some main information for contact. And here is the result.